Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, All Merciful God, peace be upon you. Dear my students, today we are going to talk about the letter U. Today we are going to talk about the letter U. How to pronounce this letter as a letter and as a sound. As a letter and as a sound. Okay? We can pronounce this letter in two ways. It can be long U, and it can be short A, long U and short A. This is capital letter and this is small letter. This is when we want to write, but we want to pronounce, we can say U or A. What are the cases to pronounce it as U, and what are the cases that we can pronounce it as A? This is what we can see or listen now. I have a short video to listen and then we can complete. Listen now. Okay, so now we listen to this funny song about how to differentiate between pronouncing a and you. And as we see now, we can call this you, you. Okay, you. Yes. Repeat after me. You. But this is short vowel a, a. Repeat after me. A, a. Excellent, my dear students. Okay, we have two way to pronounce this. Long, long, you, blue, tube, blue, tube. And we have short a, bun, top, bun, top. Okay, long, you, short a. Let's see example of some words. Cube, cut, flu, fun, glue, gun, huge, hot, June, June, junk, Sue, sun. Okay, this is long U, cube, flu, flu, huge, June, so, Sue. Okay, short A, ka, cut, fun, gun, hot, junk, sun. Okay, we have another audio. Okay, and this was another funny song about how to pronounce you. Here is read and the bot. Read and the bot in the correct box. Okay, we have these words. Try to read each one and put in the correct column. Here is long U. Here is short U. Okay, let's share. Let's share the first students who can read. Ro, ra, ru, ra, ru. Okay, excellent. Run, run. What about this? What about this? Okay, excellent, my dear students. Rule. Okay. Cute, cute. Cut. You. Dog. Gun. Clue. Mute. True. Mud. tug. Okay, this is long, this is short. This is long, long U, short U. Rule, run, cute, cut, dew, dug, clue, gun, mute, mud, true, tug. If you go to your book, in number 68, you can find this exercise. Read, write activity. Does it have a long U sound or not? Listen and click true or false. True or false, okay? Listen, the first one, sun, sun, sun. Long or short? Excellent, short. This is not long. Okay, he said that but for long U. Excellent. Blue, blue, blue. Excellent. Blue, long. Ice, ice, ice. Excellent, my dear students. Okay, so now you are going to go to your workbook to answer your exercises, page number 50. Thank you all for listening to us. Until we meet again, we can say goodbye with my best wishes for all of you in a good health. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.